In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the Carbon 57. This is a very interesting submachine gun here in Black Ops 7. But before we actually dive into the guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and equip this weapon and go into your gunsmith. And what you're going to want to do is go to the customize tab and into the camo tab right here. Now the first 9 camos are going to be your standard headshot camos. You got to get 80 headshots with this Carbon 57 in order to knock this out. What I recommend doing is playing the objective-based game modes like Hardpoint or Domination and sitting outside of the objective and killing people inside of the objective because that'll make this a lot easier. A long barrel is super duper helpful for this, as well as any sort of stabilizer, just because this gun has a lot of kick. I would also recommend a scope so you can make sure you're lining up your headshots correctly. But this is probably going to be the challenge that does take you the longest. So just go into that with that mindset and you'll be good to go. Moving on though, we are going to the Diamondback camo, which is just 30 hipfire kills with the Carbon 57. This one is super easy. Playing small maps and objective maps are going to help you out. Hijacked is perfect, especially on something like Hardpoint or Domination. Just run in there, get those hipfire kills, don't really worry too much about your KD, and you'll knock this out pretty quickly. For the Raptor, you just got to get 2 kills without reloading 10 times. This gun has a ton of ammo, so don't really worry too much about this. You'll be able to knock this out quickly. If you are struggling, put on an extended mag, and that's going to help you even more. But already, this gun has a lot of ammo. I mean, it's literally on the side of the gun. You can see it right here. For the main frame camo, you just got to go ahead and get 50 eliminations with the Carbon 57 with the gunfire wildcard equipped and 8 attachments. So essentially max out this gun. This is going to be the only gun you're using, and play the objective and you'll get this out pretty quickly. This could be done in 1 match if you're playing pretty decent, or 2 matches max if you're playing terribly. But what you're going to want to go ahead and do is essentially then move on to your Shattered Gold camo. And this is just 3 kills without dying 10 times. Now, what I recommend doing is, putting the exact same class setup that you had for the headshot challenges and essentially doing the exact same method. So sit outside of an objective and go ahead and farm these kills. Obviously, play safe. If you need to scooch back a little bit in order to make sure that you don't die, make sure you do that. Small maps are kind of hard to do this on. Bigger maps are actually a little bit easier, but at the same time, it is an SMG, so something like Hijacked or Nuketown, when that does come out, is going to be very helpful for you. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.